Alright guys, welcome to the new video. Today I'm going to talk about how to decompress if you have a file that contains other file which is called zip file, like this one over here, how to decompress it to take those files out of it. Okay, so look, if we open it, it will show us that inside of this zip file we have three different pictures over here. So how do I take them outside? You can see the decompressed size is rather small. However, if we just open it, it's going to open the compressed version. And that's not what we want. What we want to do is we want to extract them first. And for that, we need to press extract all right over here. Okay. So once you press this, all the files will be extracted to the address that you choose it to extract to, which is in my case the same desktop, basically the same folder which it was located from, the compressed zip folder. Okay, so you can leave this one or you can choose another one, and then you just put extract. Okay, so it took less than 1 second for the extraction to complete, and you can see that now it is being stored right here. So these three files are right here, and I can also find them on my desktop. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.